And then we'll grab the other one, and we'll put the other one right next to it. Excellent. Is that okay? Right here like this? But I don't think it will fit because if we put one more here, there's only one hook. You see there's only one hook. Satu? We need dua. There's no dua. So there's only satu. So I don't think it will fit. Okay. Perfect. A little bit closer? A little bit closer. Oh, you see? That's okay. No problem. Perfect, yeah? What do you think? Looks good. And keep. Okay. Bagus. Yeah? Okay.